200-word summary. Agent-Zero fork analysis. The top 3 most starred Agent-Zero forks demonstrate distinct specialization patterns. moondevonyt/Agent-Zero. 32 stars. Focuses on infrastructure and model diversity. Featuring OpenRouter integration, Google Gemini support, Docker containerization, SSH capabilities, and advanced memory management. This fork prioritizes enterprise-ready deployment with comprehensive multi-model architecture. XPack.AI/Agent-Zero. 15 stars. Emphasizes documentation and protocol compliance, offering extensive model context protocol implementation. XPack.AI integration examples: advanced prompt management, and improved file browser capabilities. It excels in developer experience and educational resources. deciduous-agent-zero. 13 stars. Specializes in browser automation and user experience, delivering enhanced Playwright integration, viewport management, download path customization, and regular upstream synchronization. This fork focuses on front-end performance and cross-browser compatibility. Each fork addresses different user needs. moondevonyt for production infrastructure, XPack.AI for developer adoption, and deciduous for user interface optimization. All maintain active development with 30+ commits each, showing continued community engagement and innovation beyond the original project scope.